Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video, we will understand how to set up Webhook inside Swipe pages. So a Webhook acts as a bridge to connect applications and it helps to deliver the data to other applications as an event happens. Swipe pages is a premium landing page builder platform. So now in order to begin with this setup, I will go to my trigger window and over here I'm going to search for Swipe pages as my trigger application and here it is. And the trigger event will be new form submission. So here let's say that by using Swipe pages, I have created this form. So here my objective is that whenever a user is going to submit this form, then automatically the form response should be captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So over here, I'm going to select my trigger event as new form submission. So it will trigger when a new form submission will occur. You can select any other trigger event as well as per your requirement. So as I did that, here you can see a Webhook URL is given and along with that a help desk is given. So read this help desk given below carefully because this Webhook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect your Swipe pages account with Pabbly Connect. So to begin with the connection, I'm going to take you to my Swipe pages account. So this here is my Swipe pages account and this here is the form that I've created by the name of Connect Pab. So over here, in order to build a connection, I will take you to integrations and here in integrations, I will go to get started. And now I'm going to create the workflow as per the instructions given inside Pabbly Connect. So over here, I'm going to give the name as new and now I'm going to click on next. And now over here, I need to drag and drop a trigger to start your workflow. So over here, I'm going to drag form submitted as my trigger. After putting that, I'm going to do the setup. So over here, I'm going to select my page as selected pages, that is Connect Pab. And we have successfully set up our trigger. So it says when form submitted on Connect Pab page or any funnel. So now moving to the action part. So over here, I'm going to add the action part by going to this actions window and selecting send webhook. So now I'm going to set up the webhook. So from Pabbly Connect, I'm just going to copy the webhook URL and here in this field, I'm going to paste it and the method will be of post. So now moving to the webhook body. So over here, I've added the tags that is of full name, email and the phone number. So I'm going to click on run a test so that I can show you that how a test response will be received inside Pabbly Connect. So over here in Pabbly Connect, you can see that I have received the test response. Over here, you can see the phone number. This here is the full name and this here is the email. So that means we have successfully got the test response. So going back to Swipe pages, so I'm going to click on Save Changes and we are going to click on this Active Workflow button. So it says your workflow is successfully activated. So here that means I've successfully added a webhook inside my Swipe pages account. So taking you back to Pabbly Connect, so here we are going to recapture the webhook response. Because I want that whenever there will be a new form submission, then automatically the response should be captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So this here is the form that I've created. Now I'm going to fill the test details. That will be this. This here is the name. Now moving to the email, that will be amiuser@pabblytuts.com. And now I'm going to mention a dummy phone number. So as I've filled in the details, now I'm going to click on submit. Here it says thank you. That means I've successfully submitted this form and the response of this form submission would have been captured inside Pabbly Connect. So taking it to Pabbly Connect and yes, over here you can see that I have received a response and this here is a positive response. That means I've successfully got the form response over here in Pabbly Connect. So here we have successfully set up a webhook inside Swipe pages. That means now whenever there will be a new form submission made, then automatically the form responses will be captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. So as I've got the form submission details and just by going to this action window, I can select any application where I want to send the data. So I hope you like this video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications and create amazing automations by using Pabbly Connect. So you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write us to https://forum.pabbly.com and for pricing related issues, you can visit this link. So you can create a lot more automations by using Pabbly Connect and don't forget to share these videos with your friends, colleagues. Subscribe to our channel for more.